folks, welcome to the channel. My name is Ken and I'm very excited today because I'm headed to one of my favorite spots, the Lakes Basin, where I'll be camping for the next 3 nights. Unfortunately, I'll be flying solo this time around because Amy's got some family obligations to attend to. Luckily, there's a lot of things for me to do to keep me busy, so follow along with me as I show you some of my favorite things to do in the area. The Lakes Basin is located about an hour northwest from Tahoe and is just over 3 hours from the San Francisco Bay Area. There's no shortage of things to do here. There's hiking, there's mountain biking, and of course, there's plenty of opportunity to swim, fish, and paddle. Or you can just sit at camp and relax and soak in the stunning views of the Sierra Buttes. And here's my campsite, our go-to for years. Yeah, so it doesn't sit right on a lake like some neighboring campgrounds do. Look how spacious this site is. It's private, it butts up against the forest. No, look, someone left a gift for me. Ugh, I mean, come on. The bathroom is right over there. Seriously, if you're that lazy and blatantly disrespectful of others that you find it okay to leave your bathroom trash for others to clean up, do us all a favor. Stay the f*** at home. Phew. Okay, well now that that's been cleaned up, can I tell you about how much we love our new Gazelle tent? For those of you who hate fumbling with tent poles and figuring out what goes where, this is the tent for you. Yeah, it's big and heavy. You might think it's a little overkill for just one person, but honestly, why not? It's spacious, it's sturdy, and the best part, you can stand up in it. Plus, I can set this tent up quicker than my 2-man tent. Just pop out the sides, step in the tent, and pop up the top. This fumbling attempt took about 90 seconds to set it up. Voila! Hey, little guy. Hey, buddy. This morning, we're headed a few miles up the road to Upper Salmon Lake for some fishing. Meh. No luck this morning, so we're gonna head back to camp for a quick bite to eat, then head to Sardine Lake for some guaranteed fish. But first... It's 10 o'clock right now and it's super warm. So since Lower Sardine Lake doesn't allow swimming, I'm making a quick trip up to Upper Sardine Lake to take a dip, cool down, and make my way back down to Lower Sardine Lake to fish. All right, here we go. Alright, so the wind has kicked in a little bit, so I kind of docked myself on that point where I pointed out earlier as I was hiking up to the upper lake. But anyways, I figured I'd hook my line with a night crawler. I've had these guys for a long time. This guy's still pretty spunky. But anyways, I'm gonna hook this guy and kind of drift. Ooh, there we go. Drift with him on it, weighted down with some split shots. Let's see what happens. Using power bait. Good old power bait. Well, after being skunked all day, there's one thing that'll help mend my bruised ego. A drink. At good old Poor George's Playpen. We've been coming here for years, and I was a little sad to hear that our favorite bartender, Nick, who we've gotten acquainted with over time, no longer works here. But with its open-air gazebo and stunning views of the lake like this, who can complain? That's the dinner bell for diners at the resort, which reminds me, I'm hungry. Tonight, I'm making a concoction inspired by my favorite breakfast dish called the momo, served at a brunch spot called Vic's in Martinez. All it takes is some frozen tater tots, a can of chili, and some chopped red onions and tomatoes. Some bourbon. Add the onions. Some shredded cheese. Top the cheesy concoction with chili. And finally, add the tomatoes. So I'm cooking up some breakfast before my hike. A little pork maple sausage with some eggs. Smells good. This morning, we head up to Gold Lake Lodge where the trailhead for our hike awaits. Good morning. Another beautiful day in the Lakes Basin. Sunny outside, slight breeze to keep me cool. Can't complain. Taking a hike today. I'm not sure what the trail is called. I think it's Round Lake Loop. I'm not sure, but basically trailhead is right off of the Gold Lakes Lodge, and be coming up on a bunch of little lakes to swim and fish in. So here we go. And it doesn't take long till you come to the first lake. This is Big Bear Lake. Just like that, we're at Round Lake. I swear, like, walk a little bit and there's always something beautiful around the corner. And I really like this lake. Can't really tell from this view, but hopefully you'll see in a minute. Look at this, will you? Just look at this. Woo. Yeah. Now, I'd be happy jumping into the lake all day long, but there's nothing like taking the plunge into the refreshing emerald green waters of the Yuba River and its tributaries. Some say all good things must come to an end. I prefer to be a little more optimistic and think that great things await us all. So when it comes to camping, be cool, clean up after yourselves, make sure your fire is completely out, and perhaps leave something nice for the next camper. Extra firewood never helps. Till the next time, happy camping. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to follow along with us on our future adventures in travel. See you next time.